Hello, my name is Dollarman. I'm here at the Greenway Trail off of Town and Country as part of the Upper Tampa Bay Trail. Got a 4-mile trail back and forth from Sheldon to Hanley Road. Alongside the trail runs with the stream, this canal. It's a place where a lot of people come and fish, and I was told by the fishermen that back in the old days there was a dock that's right over here. People launch their canoes and boats. So you know, come on. And here we are at the restoration part of the Greenway Trail. This is TC, the baby gator. I call him TC because the Town and Country is about 4 years old. This is the trailhead beginning at Sheldon Road. On a typical day, people are walking, hiking, and running, which I'm doing right now, honest. Pets are stretching their legs as the human enjoys the fresh air. The artists, fitness fans, and caretakers enjoying the waterways and wildlife, which includes birds, rabbits, spot alligators, with a large variety of trees, foliage, and plants. This is the end of the Greenway Trail here in Town and Country. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. For more tours of the Tri-County area parks, recreation, and trails, catch me at Dollarman Design on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.